In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize tables in Confluence. First, let's navigate to your Confluence homepage, which serves as your dashboard for all things related to your projects. This homepage is the starting point where you can access various spaces, pages, and tools to manage your team's knowledge effectively. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to select the space where your table resides. Spaces in Confluence are essentially the organizational containers within which your pages exist. Finding the right space might involve a quick look through the list of available options, especially if you have access to multiple projects or departments. Each space typically houses related content, so make sure you're heading into the right one. After selecting the correct space, you need to choose the specific page that holds the table you want to resize. Pages are where all the detailed content and documentation live, and they're what your team members will refer to for information. Scroll or search through your options until you locate the page in question. Clicking on the page will bring up its content where you'll find the table you're planning to adjust. Now that you've located your table, it's time to click the Edit button on the page. This is crucial because you need to be in edit mode to make any modifications. You'll find the Edit option usually at the top right corner of the page, which will open the page editor once selected. This interface allows you to make your changes, add content, and most importantly, adjust the size of your tables. With the page in edit mode, focus on the table's borders. To resize the table, simply hover over the lines separating the columns or across its borders until you see a double-headed arrow. This cursor indicates that you can drag the line to adjust the size. Click and drag the border until the table is the size you'd like it to be. You have complete control over how wide or narrow each column becomes, depending entirely on the display you are aiming for. After adjusting the table to your preference, review your changes to ensure everything looks good and meets your needs. It's helpful to check for any unintentional shifts or overlaps that might have occurred during the resizing. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save or Publish button, typically located at the top of the page editor. This will finalize your edits and present the table in its updated format for all users with access to the page.